Hello everyone. Here is some of the clarifications related to your assignments as per your demand. So, in your assignment, you need to write the CSR activities of the given company. Okay, the company names which is given to you, you should write the CSR activities which is performed by those companies. Okay, that is what your actual content of the assignment. So as usual, introduction will be same for the each and every paper because CSR activities basics are same. Here is the basics. A business has the responsibility towards its stakeholders, either internal stakeholders or the external stakeholders. So internal stakeholders are those employees, management, investors, etc. And external stakeholders are suppliers, consumers, retailers, wholesalers, and even the society and environment. But before 1980s, society and environment are not treated as a part of the business. Okay, society and environment are not treated as the stakeholders of the company. But some of the serious thinkers like Ratan Tata thought a corporate will use the resources like land, water, human resources and other resources from the environment and the society itself. So, business has the responsibility to return something to the society, and that's how the concept of environmental accounting and concept of CSR came into existence. What is environmental accounting? You need to prepare a statement which is called statement of environmental accounting. Under that, you need to mention about how much resources you are used from the environment and how much you are given return to the environment. And as per the environmental accounting, the resources what you are used should be less and the return what you are given to the environment should be more. The main act which says about the corporate social responsibility is Companies Act 2013. So under Companies Act 2013, Section 135, Schedule 7 says it is mandatory to perform the CSR activities for any company. Either it is public or it may be a private. Either it may be an Indian company or it may be a foreign branch which fulfills any one of these three conditions. If the company has the net worth of rupees 500 crores or more, if the company has total turnover of rupees 1000 crores or more, if the company has net profit of rupees 5 crore or more, and this net profit is immediate preceding year's net profit. Okay. So if any company fulfilled this one condition, then they should perform mandatorily CSR activities. And how much they should spend in CSR activities? Minimum of 2% of the preceding 3 years average profit. In the assignment, I have given that how much amount and the proportion your company is spent. You need to write that one too. The proportion should be more than 2% obviously if the company is fulfilled these conditions, and the total amount which is spent, that one also you should mention. So what is CSR activities? All the activities cannot be considered as CSR activities. What are the activities which is considered as CSR activities? Let's understand. Schedule 7 explains all the activities cannot be considered as a CSR activities. The mentioned activities only treated as CSR activities. Some activities like donations to Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, Prime Minister's National Debt Relief Fund, health related activities, some type of donations to NGOs, etc. can be claimed for the deductions under Section 80 series. After your gross total income, you can claim some of the deductions. So 80C series are there, Section 80 series, many things. 80C, it may be 80D, it may be Section 80G, deduction for donations. So those all things will come. Okay. However, every CSR activities are not exempted from the tax. Remember, each and every CSR activities are not exempted from the tax. See, recently Tata and even Mahindra and Mahindra, Infosys, those are providing the donations for the PM CARES Fund and Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. they are going to claim the deductions while they are filing their income tax returns. There are four important types of the CSR activities. Under these four important types, we are going to identify many CSR activities. So what are those four types of CSR activities? One, ethical responsibilities or ethical social activities, being ethical to its stakeholders. Philanthropic responsibilities, serve humanity. Environmental responsibilities and economic responsibilities. These are four main types of CSR activities. We are going to study this in detail under the Unit 3, approaches towards the CSR activities. So we are going to identify many CSR activities. This is for your information. These all things you need to write in your assignment if your company is performed these activities. Eradicating hunger, poverty and malnutrition. The example is ISKCON and Infosys. They are providing the food for some of the orphanages, some of the government schools, etc. So for that programs, they used to give the different name. Okay, you need to mention that name if your company is performed that particular CSR activity. Promoting the healthcare related activities like blood donations, the healthcare checkups, promotion of the sanitization and making available safe drinking water. I remember one advertisement from Hindustan Unilever. They are provided drinking water to the one of the village from Rajasthan where they need to go for 2 or 3 kilometers to get the drinking water. For that program, they are given a separate name. Then comes the promotion of education, especially a girl child education. Infosys is doing this one. Even Tatas are doing this one. Some of the IT companies doing this in the name of the scholarship to their employees' children. Then employment enhancing vacation skills. So through NGOs, these programs are done. Promoting a gender equality, you know this. Reducing the inequalities like some of the specially able persons are there. There should not be any discrimination between those type of people. So that is also treated as CSR activities. Okay, promoting the programs like that is treated as CSR activities. Then comes enhancing the national heritage, art and culture. So some of the national heritage historical monuments are there. So enhancing and providing the facilities nearby, that to consider the CSR activities. I can give the best example of Tatas. Tatas are investing in CSR activities more than any company comparatively. They are adopting the villages and all. You see, if you went for Infosys campus, you just check the nearby surroundings. They used to go for the 4 lanes of roads, then after plantations, the water facilities, the power facilities. These all things they used to provide. Okay, that is called corporate social responsibility activities. So this is about the CSR activities. Definitely the company which is given to you is performed at least one or two of these activities. You need to mention under the content of your assignment. Okay. So what you need to mention? What is the activity? How much they are invested and what is the impact? These are the three important aspects which you need to mention under your assignment.